everybody, welcome back to my channel Raina for you. So today I'm going to be making a butterfly. So let's get started. First you're going to make a triangle like this. There's the line. Then you're going to fold again another triangle. And look, it's a plus. So I'm going to keep my finger in this. And then I'm just going to simply fold it like this. It came like this. And then I'm just going to press it. And became a lovely triangle. Then fold it like this. And the same on the other side. And then it's like this. Next step, this back part, I'm just going to fold this still up. Like this. I just folded it this up. And then I'm just going to fold it a little this side to make it a little more short. Now that is done, I'm just going to fold it like this and then open it again. So then my butterfly is done. But now there's still one more thing left to do. Coloring! Let's go! So I have my colors here. I'm using neon pens. We have yellow, green, orange, pink and purple. So let's get to coloring. You can choose any design, any color. I'm just gonna make some dots here. I'm going to connect all these oranges. Next, I'm going to repeat the same pattern but yellow and green. Are you ready for the final result? Let's see it! This is the final result. And if you want, you see this part, you just glue both of them, wait for it to dry, and then you can put your fingers in this and ride your butterfly around. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also turn on the notifications so that when new videos out, you can watch it. It's brand new.